Hi guys, welcome back to the Alpha Crypto channel where I talk about cryptocurrencies, airdrop, crypto news, everything in the crypto space. I make video every day. Yeah, this is the Alpha Crypto channel. For those of you that are watching my channel for the first time, make sure you hit the subscribe button, turn my bell post notification on, so that when I drop interesting content, you'll be among the first to see it. Right now, we have over 2,700 subscribers. Guys, make me get 3,000. Push this community to 3,000. I think it's time for us to be over 3,000 right now. So if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, please make sure you hit the subscribe button before leaving. Yeah, like I do every day, I go on CoinMarketCap, I check for different projects, I look at the coins that are topping, they are gaining massive numbers, the ones that are trending, I make videos on them. I did a video on Nevada token yesterday. I just saw this token Corgidoge. I just did a video on Coco Swap. You can watch that. Corgidoge. Yeah, I don't think I've done a video on this particular token, so I'm going to do a video on this token and review it. This token has done over 1,863% today. This is almost 2,000%. The market capitalization is currently 220 220. Oh, sorry, the market cap is not available. I'm talking about the trading volume. It's already currently $223,000, and this token is on the watch list of over 279,000 people. Wow, interesting. And it's built on the Binance Smart Chain, which means we can check it on PoolCoin, we can check it on Coin Markets. I mean, you can check it on BSC Scan, and we can also verify it from Token Sniffer. So I'm going to do all that. Since there's no market cap, well, we're just going to proceed with the information we can gather. There's a white paper here. I'm going to open this white paper in another tab. Sometimes I can actually skim through a white paper, sometimes I can actually take my time to study a white paper and review it later. So guys, still on it. They have a community, and they have community on Twitter, Reddit, and Medium, which is quite interesting. And this is the link to their official website, corgidoge.com, right? I think I've opened the link to the official website in another tab, but just to be double sure. So guys, let's go look at the charts now. If you look at this in the last 7 days, look at this. This coin has always been, this is on the 8th of November. This coin was literally 0.0000657, and boom. And this was still on the 9th of November around 6:08 p.m. The price was 0.000808606 with a trading volume of 332,520, and the same day there was this massive spike. The price went up, trading volume was 34,998. So what led to this massive spike, I can't say. But then if you look at this, this is also similar in the chart. Look at this on the today. This is actually today this coin was still very low, around 0.00010 penny, I mean 10 pennies, and boom, again this same today it just moved to 0.0007859. Then it now started coming down. So there's, when you see this kind of spike upward, like this massive pump, then there's a kind of a manipulation, right? That's why I think, yeah. So guys, that being said, let's read about the project, because for over 32,000 people to be 273,000 people to put a project on what list, it means the project is quite interesting. So they said Corgidoge is a real estate investment application. Oh, this is not, I was thinking this is a meme coin or a dog coin. So it's even not a dog coin, it's actually a real estate investment application, a e-commerce platform. The cryptocurrency exchange is designed to maximize the benefit of Corgi coin. Wow. The long-term development-oriented Corgi will become one of the used coins widely and replace existing coins. So we have the ecosystem. The Corgi currency uses blockchain to transfer the value and benefits of the coin, the cryptocurrency holders. The Corgi cryptocurrency exchange allows trading and this and this and this. Then the Corgi real estate investment application allows people to invest in real estate. So basically, this is an real estate investment. I think like a company. They also have their e-commerce platform, they have their cryptocurrency exchange platform all in one, and I think this is the coin they use for their transaction in the crypto space. And you know when you buy you buy e-commerce products, you buy and sell whatever on their platform, you use the Corgi cryptocurrency. Basically this token is actually having a lot of attention right now. But one thing I noticed is that the trading volume is low, And if the trading volume is low, it means a lot of people are not trading on it. So I'm just going to just copy this contract address. I just want to just look for the sake of seeing, and I'll paste it on BSC scan to see if people are actually buying this token. But then this is the official website, Corgidoge Real Estate Payment. So I was thinking this is like a meme coin, a dog coin, a community driven token and all, but then they said this is a real estate payment platform, and there's an airdrop and referral program, and registered reward 100,000 people, referral reward 4 level, total reward 1,000 billion Corgidoge. So basically, from what I see here, I honestly see that there's a lot of projects they want to do and all. There's a ecosystem, there's a e-commerce, there's a what do you call it, a real estate aspect. It sounds so much and so big to be true. I'm always skeptical about everything, right, guys? So I just want to see from their roadmap. You can see that they've launched the crypto on the Binance Smart Chain, airdrop and swap on Pancake Swap, IEO round one. They've released the stake pool and reward for staking. Corgi is being listed in crypto exchanges. Now they will launch an official website and mobile wallet. And next year they will do the launching of the wallet release one, iOS and Android. The large sum of reward remaining, the leftover will be born. This and this and this and this. So many projects in 2023. Interesting. Guys, I don't know, what do you guys think about these projects? What do you guys think about this cryptocurrency? What do you guys think about this coin? And there's a disclaimer that when materials here are not final technical specification, the website does not constitute financial advice. Everybody gives disclaimer. Yes, my video also is not a financial advice for you to invest in anything. It's just for educational purpose. Please make sure you do your own research and understand that cryptocurrency is high risk, high reward form of investment. Any investment decision you make is solely your decision, and basically that is that. I'm going to BSC scan. People are actually buying this coin. Look at this: 33 seconds, 40 seconds, 58 seconds, 1 minute, 1 minute, 1 minute, 1 minute, 2 minutes, 2 minutes, 2 minutes, 2 minutes, 2 minutes, 5 minutes. Boom, boom, boom. A lot of people are buying this token. I'm just going to copy the contract since it's built on the Binance Smart Chain. I'm going to copy it and I'll check it on token sniffer. Where's my token sniffer? I like token sniffer a lot. You just tell me some information I can just quickly hold on to. So this is it. Let me search on token sniffer while I take this and I check it on PoolCoin. Right, I just need to check PoolCoin.app to see the number of people holding the token. So from token sniffer, you can see the small test is 5/100 high risk. This token already score 5, indicates that there's a high risk of it being a scam now or in the future. Guys, that is what token sniffer said. Now they said the token is sellable, the fee is low, the selling fee is low, they have a verified contract source, the ownership renounced or source does not contain an owner contract. There's an owner contract, which means the owner can actually modify the contract behavior. He can disable selling or mint new token or do whatever the owner wants to do. Now the owner wallet contains less than 5%. So there's adequate liquidity present, but at least 95% of the liquidity born and locked. It's just 55% of the liquidity that is born on DX lock, just 55%. That is quite low, but then that is that. So basically, from what I've gotten from token sniffer, this token, I cannot actually call it a scam. I'm just going to tell you that it is very risky. You need to do your research. You need to risk as much as you can afford to lose before you invest in it. So guys, that is that I can say about this token. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, turn my bell post notification on. Let me quickly check PoolCoin and see what I can get before I go. I like just making sure I dot all the I's, I cross all the T's, because at the end of the day, let me look at the number of people holding the token, right? What are the number of others? Because the people that have interest in this token are much, so I'm expecting like a very good hundreds of thousands of people to hold this token. If hundreds of thousands of people are not holding this token, then there's something wrong. Okay, this is 199,864 addresses. That's people that have bought this token. They're holding this token. That is actually that is much. But how come the trading volume is very low? This is another question, because it's trading on less than $1 million for this kind of number of orders and this kind of massive pump. I believe there's something wrong somewhere, but notwithstanding, just tell me your opinion about this. If you have been holding this token, let me know. I feel there's a manipulation somewhere. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, turn my bell post notification on. I'm going to talk about Wakanda Inu. I just saw some things I would like to update you guys on. Bye for now, and I hope to see you in my next video.